Do you know many people are having trouble with their detachable speakers on the JBL Bar 1000 soundbar? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Charge speakers fully. Ensure the detachable speakers are fully charged by docking them onto the soundbar for at least 3 hours. Step 2. Check status indicator. Check the status indicator on the detachable speakers for a red flash and a REAR SPKR LOW BATT message on the soundbar. Step 3. Look for display messages. If the battery is completely drained, DOCKRE ARSPKRI will be displayed on the soundbar. Step 4. Reconnect if needed. Make sure the wireless connection is not lost due to low battery. Redock the speakers to charge and reconnect. Step 5. Check USB-C connection. Check the USB-C cable connection for any charging issues and remove obstacles obstructing the wireless connection. By following these steps, your JBL Bar 1000 detachable speakers should be functioning properly again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other JBL users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.